All right, here we are. We just made a fresh pot of coffee from our old coffee maker, and now we're setting up our new coffee maker.
Now I'm setting my new coffee
Oh,
maker.
your new coffee maker.
My new coffee maker is great.
Is it great?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It is.
I didn't think we would get one.
You didn't.
No.
Are you happy?
Very. Are you happy, Andrew?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Hold on, buddy.
Daddy, I think that.
There it goes.
All right, we're gonna make Andrew some hot chocolate first.
No.
No.
Go ahead, put it in. Hold on. You need to put a cup underneath it.
What's in there now? Coffee?
Yeah.
How is this?
I don't think it's ready yet. Let's gotta warm up. It'll tell us when it's ready.
I pressed it.
You pressed it?
Yeah. Hold on a second, son.
What is it?
It's warming up, okay? So just give it a second.
What?
I think it's warming up.
It's making hot chocolate.
Oh, there it is. It's heating. Hold on. It's not ready. Oh, my phone.
What's this dot? Dog on it? It's not making it hot chocolate.
Hold on, son. Those little buttons with the cups on them will flash when it's ready.
Glasses?
It should.
It says it's heating.
It's heating up. It's getting ready.
See, it's almost number 4.
Yeah, it's at number 8.
It's number 8.
Yeah.
It's number 8. I see the number 8 and the 1.
It's still heating up.
Okay.
We're still waiting.
I'm still waiting for it. I just pressed that button already.
Yeah.
I just pressed that button already. What's it going to do?
It's getting ready.
Huh? I hear that noise.
It's getting ready, Big Tom.
Is that the water? Is that the water?
Who is that?
Is that the water?
That's the Bosserman.
Okay, answer it.
Hello.
Is that
Yeah.
can you stop
Okay.
looking at
Oh.
here? Can you stop looking
Oh.
at
I'm talking to you on the phone right now. I
mean,
that
the
for
video.
We're getting videoed. And I'm talking to you on the video and the phone. All right. Lori will post that for you later.
Oh, there it is. It's ready. It's
We've got the
ready.
blue lights. Push the middle button. Middle.
I pressed away.
Push
Press it again. Hard. Okay, let go.
Oh,
Oh.
now push the middle button.
Here it
We're making
goes.
our first cup of coffee, Granddaddy.
It's,
Oh.
oh, here it is.
There it is.
See it?
Awesome.
Awesome.
All right. Well, I'll let you go.
Awesome.
Bye.
Awesome. This is awesome. Awesome. This is awesome.
He said you should run hot water through it a couple times.
Oh.
I said that's
So maybe I
good.
won't drink that
I
one.
said that's good.
Oh. That's good.
Oops. It's filling up.
Yeah.
It's going faster.
Yeah. It's all done.
That's it. 1 cup of coffee, sir.
All right. Daddy's coffee's ready.
1 cup of coffee, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you. He said you're welcome before I said thank you.
Oh.
We don't need another one.